Ooh, yeah. Tonight it's just you and me. No distance, no fear. Just one heartbeat. The city lights are fading slow, but your eyes outshine them all. Every step that brings you near breaks another lonely wall. I've been searching through the silence, looking for a place called home. Now your touch rewrites my story. I don't have to walk alone. Every second feels like forever. Every breath is calling your name. If tomorrow never finds us, tonight will never be the same. Closer tonight. Hold me until the stars collide. Closer tonight. Leave every fear we've had behind. Your heartbeat dancing next to mine, like the moon is chasing sunrise. Nothing else can steal this light. Just stay closer tonight. Every whisper tells a secret. Every kiss becomes a flame. Like two rivers finding oceans, nothing ever stays the same. If the world keeps turning faster, let it spin without our name. In this moment we are timeless. Love is more than just a game. Every dream begins with a one touch. Every hope begins with a one smile. If forever starts this evening, let's forget about the miles. Closer tonight. Hold me until the stars collide. Closer tonight. Leave every fear we've had behind. Your heartbeat dancing next to mine, like the moon is chasing sunrise. Nothing else can steal this light. Just stay closer tonight. Passing by.